YouTube, welcome back to another POV with your boy Cloudy Films. I ain't gonna lie, I finally got my head mount working, so let me know how it looks, sounds, and everything is for y'all. Just let me know. We got like a little smooth little 40-minute drive, man, so go ahead and knock this out right quick. And yeah, only thing I got done to this car for the people that's new here, bro, is it got a custom intake on it and I got a mid muffler on it. And yeah, that's it. That's the only thing I got done to this car so far. Let me know what else y'all want me to do to it. I've seen some people say do a tune and shoot flames and all that. I'm kind of trying to wait for all that because that kill gas. So once I see a lot more of y'all watching the videos, I'll probably go a little bit crazier on it, man. Y'all gotta let me know. Show a little bit more love and I got you, man. Simple as that. Simple as that. The more love y'all show, the more I'll do to the car. Right now we driving an Eco too. We don't got nothing up right now. We in auto, we in Eco. I'm probably gonna put it in sport in a little bit. I got y'all for the people that like sport. See a Challenger up there too, man. Man, he need to get over. He not getting over. Lord. They be driving so slow out here, man, it's crazy. That wine sound crazy, but that intake do justice. I don't know how it sound on camera, but in person, it's loud. About to end, so I'm finna have to get over. God damn, Eco go like that? Eco move like that? That is crazy. Mind y'all, we still in Eco, man. Everybody watching right now, I got a trick question for y'all. What's the horsepower of a Hellcat Jailbreak when it's in Eco mode? Comment down below and let me know. Let me know. I'm gonna see if y'all right. Let me see if y'all know y'all cars, nigga. See if you guys know your goddamn car. And also, comment down below and let me know what percent you think the wine is on. Me personally, bro, I think the wine is like 100%. Bitch sound great. Bitch sound ridiculous. How many miles we got on this shit right now? We gotta drive 28 miles. I think we got enough. Let me see. Yeah, we got enough. We got 86. So we got enough to get there, get back, and everything. No bullshit. Range Rover, if you was a real nigga, you'll get out the way. Therefore, you're not a real nigga. I bet he ain't trying to line that shit up. Line that shit up, buddy. Line that shit up, buddy. Get off your phone, nigga. You don't want to line that shit up. I know the bus don't want to line this shit up either. You know, buses automatically got like V8s in it, V12s. But you're really fast. For the niggas out there that ain't know that shit, that big bitch right there fast as hell. I'm putting you down. That bitch got 14 wheels. You think it don't have a big engine? I don't know how many wheels that shit actually got. Get out of my way, man. Alright, we finna go ahead and get past, buddy. Let me go ahead and get past, buddy, man. I use my blinkers when I'm driving too, man. I'm safe. Supercharger sound crazy. It ain't even no point to go duke, cause I ain't even gonna be able to get duke. You know what I mean? I can't even spectacular maneuver this way. Buddy in the goddamn Hyundai speeding and shit. Going stupid. That Toyota hard. I like Toyotas. That be actually hard. It be actually look good. Alright, let me put it in sport. For the people out there that want to hear sport. Shit sound crazy. That just looks so bad over there. Can't even cut up right here, man. Car is going so down slow. Let go, man. Let go, let go, let go, let go. Appreciate you, gang. Come on, man. Traffic be shitty right here too, bro. As y'all can see. Traffic actually be shitty right here. We just came to a complete stop. Damn near. Man. But this is crazy. Y'all niggas can't go no faster. This don't even be no 30-minute drive for real, bro. It be like a 20-minute drive, gang. It just be traffic, bro. Traffic is doo-boo-boo-doo-boo. My nigga. Lord. Scoot that shit up. Man. How they used to teach you how to drive in driver's ed? It's like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. You got 6 over here at the bottom. Like 7, 8, like 9, 10. Although I did it wrong, but I did it wrong. Y'all get what I'm saying, though. Y'all niggas get what I'm saying. It don't even matter. Nigga, I drive 12-3. Look at that. Some people drive like this. That's how I be driving when I'm about to goddamn shit myself going too fast. And it be tweaking. Be tweaking. Man, this shit just sound like a damn, I don't know, Team Umi Zoomy just ready to go. What's wrong with these niggas? These niggas driving so slow, bro. It be them big ass trucks with 14 wheels on them. I was just talking about. These niggas mess it up for all of us. Get out of the way. Lord. Shit don't make no sense. I need some gloves for the devious activities I'm gonna do. Let's get it, let go. gonna be able to spectacular maneuver around this nigga. It be them Kia niggas like, I'm about to go get somebody to go steal that shit. You know how easy it is to steal a Kia? Like, I used to really steal that back in my day. No bullshit. I used to give them back though, cause they ain't had no V8 in it. That's the only reason. Car just whining and shit. Man, I'll just hit a leaf. I'm going to jail. Damn, I'm going to jail. I just hit a leaf. Oh, I just hit a leaf. Oh, I just hit a leaf. I just did a bad thing. Don't slow down, nigga. You in the Benz. What you slowing down for? You better not slow down at all. Don't slow down at all. Come on, Toyota. Man. Get the hell out of my way. God. Oh my 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 God. Get out of my way, nigga. W truck. W truck, nigga. He getting over too? Yeah, he getting over. Come on. Come on, Mercedes. What the? Oh my God, what are you doing? Get out of my way. What are you doing? Get out of, how you gonna put the blink on right here? It's stupid. Get out of my way. I got a bullet hole in that shit. Niggas tweaking. I got an idea. We finna get right here and floor this bitch. What are y'all stopping for? What you stopping for, gang? What you? Oh, you done let this nigga get back in his spot, gang. Oh, now I'm trapped over here. Oh! This shit is crazy. Crazy, crazy. Day by day. If these niggas don't get out of my way, I'm slinging straight. God damn, this shit fast. This shit. Damn. They got me moving. Get out of my way, nigga. You in a Sierra. Come on, Sierra. GMC. Get moving, cuz. Shit. This nigga don't know if he want to switch lanes or not. Come on, gang. I should have just named, I should have named my YouTube channel Road Rage. God damn. That's what I should just name my channel. Road Rage and the Cat. Or just straight Road Rage. I might change the name of my channel to Road Rage. Cause what the hell is y'all doing? Why are y'all niggas going 60? The speed limit say minimum of 60. I think it do say 60. They say 65. That's even worse. Who right here? Appreciate y'all niggas for getting out of my way. It don't matter what I do, I'm always behind that nigga though. It don't matter. I swear that. Oh, I swear for me. It don't matter what I do, I'm always behind that nigga though. Like all these other niggas, I ain't got no beef with these niggas. But that one nigga, then he gonna get right here. I just hit another leaf. I'm going to jail. Okay. Why y'all going so slow right there? You got no literal reason. Come on, Volvo, go up, nigga, go up, nigga, go up, nigga. Somebody got to do it. So it's a wonderful day we have in here. Not gonna lie. Smell good outside, cut grass. Nigga punching the gas all up on a motherfucking knee pad. I mean, that bitch going fast like a goddamn stepdad. Ooh, nigga rhyming and shit. I mean, that bitch in a cat. This shit just whining and shit. Ooh, I play every time I rap. Nigga gotta start snapping in the comments.